Hello Procrastinators. Today we are going to make monogram coasters using our knife blade. So excited. We're cutting the letters out in wood. So here I am going to select text. I am going to select the 3 letters that I want, and I'm using the Monogranos font. And so once I have the 3 letters that I want, see, I'm making them a little bit bigger. And then what I'm going to do is ungroup them. And after I ungroup them, I'm going to take 2 of them and put them in a box. And as you can see, I'll just slide from the corner to get that box. So once I do that, see, I move the L out of the way so I can just get the 2. So that I can slice. You know, you can only slice 2 things at a time. So I slice the F and the C, and then that allows me to hit the contour button, which is over in the corner, and that allows me to hide the letters that I do not want. So I hide the middle and the last F, and that leaves me with the F that I'm looking for. So then I make this or move the C closer to the L, put them in a box, slice them, and then I'm able to hit the contour button for the letter C, and then I do the same. I hide the letters that I do not want and keep the letter that I do want. Putting it in place, and then I'm going to do that with the L as well. Now I don't need to slice the L because the L was sliced with the C, so I can go straight to contour, and then I am able to hide all but that last L. From there, I put the letters together, and then I am able to group them and then weld them, and then I am able to manipulate them as large or small as I want. Okay, so after I get everything sized, the next thing you do is select your wood, which is balsa 1/16. I'm going to put that onto my strong grip mat, and as you can see, I've made that selection onto or in this design space, and I use painter's tape to make sure the wood stays in place. The next thing I had to do was move the guides on the bar of the Cricut Maker, so that was done as well, and then I started the cut process. As you can see, it is cutting here. One thing I did want to note, for smaller letters or things that are closer together, they do have a tendency to break. I've had to use wood glue to glue some things back together, but I don't know if everyone's having that problem, and it's only with a smaller item. So from here, I did paint the letters using Martha Stewart's paint. And once that dried, I went ahead and used some wood glue to put it on the surfaces that I want. So as you can see, I'm just putting a little bit of wood glue on the back and then smearing it around to over the whole letter so that I can place it where I would like for it to go. And that is pretty much the process that I used for both the wood thing, so cute, as well as the piece of cork. I found the wood square, or the woods with a cork square and the wood circle, both at Hobby Lobby. So there are things that you can purchase, or, you know, I actually was going to buy it to see if it would cut the cork. But then this was just so much easier, so I did it this way this time. So again, you just see me putting on the letters using the wood glue, and then I am able to finish this project. So as you can see, they turned out so cute. They are cute, cute, cute. So if you like this project, please like, subscribe, and leave comments below, and I will see you all the next time.